Impact windows are a significant investment for any Kendall homeowner, providing protection against severe weather, enhancing energy efficiency, and adding value to your property. To ensure they continue performing at their best and last for many years, regular maintenance and care are essential. Here's a guide on how to maintain and care for your impact windows, so you can keep them in top condition and enjoy their benefits for the long haul. Regular cleaning to maintain clarity and functionality. Use the right tools and products. Cleaning your impact windows is key to keeping them looking their best and functioning smoothly. Use a soft, lint-free cloth or a non-abrasive sponge to avoid scratching the glass or frame. Mild dish soap and water are sufficient for most cleaning tasks. Avoid harsh chemicals like ammonia-based cleaners, as these can damage the protective coatings on the glass and corrode the frame material. Clean both sides of the glass. While the exterior of your windows faces the brunt of dirt, pollen, and weather, the interior glass can also accumulate dust and smudges. Regularly cleaning both sides ensures your windows remain clear and presentable. Don't forget the frames and tracks. Dirt and debris can build up in the window frames and tracks, affecting their operation. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment or a soft bristled brush to remove debris, then wipe down the tracks with a damp cloth. Inspect for damage or wear. Check the glass. Even though impact windows are designed to withstand extreme conditions, it's important to inspect them for cracks, chips, or scratches regularly. Small damages may not seem like a big deal, but they can compromise the window's integrity over time. Inspect seals and frame. Examine the seals around the window for signs of wear, such as gaps or peeling. Damaged seals can lead to air and water leakage, reducing the energy efficiency and storm resistance of your windows. Similarly, inspect the frames for signs of warping, rust, or corrosion, particularly in Kendall's humid climate. Keep moving parts. Lubricated impact windows often come with moving parts, such as hinges, locks, and sliding tracks. Over time, these components can become stiff or worn, affecting the window's operation. Lubricate tracks and hinges. Use a silicone-based lubricant to keep tracks and hinges running smoothly. Avoid oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dirt and grime. Apply the lubricant sparingly and wipe away any excess to prevent buildup. Test locks and mechanism. Ensure that all locks and mechanisms are functioning correctly. This is not only important for convenience but also for the security of your home. Protect against salt and humidity. Kendall's proximity to the coast means your impact windows are exposed to salt air and high humidity, which can accelerate corrosion and wear. Rinse with fresh water. If you live near the beach, rinse your windows with fresh water periodically to remove salt deposits. This is particularly important for metal frames, which can corrode if salt is left to accumulate. Apply protective coating. For added protection, consider applying a protective wax or sealant to the window frames. This helps repel moisture and prevents salt from adhering to the surface. Schedule professional inspection. While regular at-home maintenance is important, scheduling professional inspections every few years ensures that any potential issues are addressed early. Window professionals can identify problems you might overlook, such as hidden seal failures or subtle structural damage, and recommend solutions to keep your windows performing optimally. Take precautions during severe weather. While impact windows are built to handle extreme weather, it's wise to take extra precautions during storm season. Remove outdoor debris. Clear your yard of loose items that could become projectiles in high winds. Check window locks. Ensure all locks are secure before a storm hits to enhance the window's strength and stability. Avoid DIY repairs for major issues. While minor cleaning and lubrication can be handled by homeowners, significant repairs or replacements should always be left to professionals. Attempting to fix damaged glass or seals yourself can void warranties and potentially worsen the issue. The long-term benefits of proper care. By maintaining your impact windows, you'll enjoy a variety of benefits. Enhanced longevity. Regular care prevents wear and tear, ensuring your windows last for decades. Optimal performance. Well-maintained windows continue to provide energy efficiency, noise reduction, and storm protection. Improved appearance. Clean, damage-free windows boost your home's curb appeal and overall aesthetic. Trust the experts for your impact windows. If you need assistance with maintaining, repairing, or replacing your impact windows in Kendall, reach out to a trusted local professional. With expert guidance and routine care, your windows will remain a reliable and stylish feature of your home for years to come.